Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. My name is Anish and today I'm going to tell you about the evolution of MaruBPM and the Emergency Services Portal. This video will first tell you a little bit about Ask4 Business Solutions before looking into the evolution and the Emergency Services Portal. So, who are Ask4 Business Solutions? Ask4 are a consultancy company based in the West Midlands that supply high-end, high-quality business solutions. With over 30 years of industry experience, they have used various BPM technologies such as TIBCO, ViewStar, OpenText MBPM, MatSoft, Intap, and K2. Now, although they don't specialize in one single industry, their primary focus includes emergency services, education, legal, and health. And on a day-to-day basis, they provide different types of services, including supplying pre-built and bespoke business solutions, offering a complete BPM application support package, training, mentoring, and consultancy, and gap analysis. What is BPM? BPM stands for Business Process Management and can be summarized as form, flow, task, and action. So, a user will take an electronic form and will route it through the business based upon predefined conditions. It is then given to someone as a task before they go ahead and action it. It then moves on to someone else in the business until the work item is finally complete. BPM is a way to capture a model of how an organization operates, known as the as-is, and once captured, improvements can be modeled, known as the to-be, finalized, and then implemented. We use BPM for many reasons, such as it improves process efficiency as tasks are automated, it increases staff motivation as it makes the day-to-day work experience much easier, and reduces cost as BPM helps employees become more productive. So, why build MaruBPM? As previously mentioned, Ask4 have a lot of experience using a variety of BPM platforms. By combining years of knowledge and experience, they wanted to bring more value to the BPM marketplace by way of their own BPM framework. MaruBPM was built considering the key elements of industry-leading BPM platforms and offers best of both worlds. It balances traditional BPM capabilities along with full programming power. And on a side note, Ask4 use MaruBPM internally for their own business processes, such as holiday booking, expense management, and work manager. Before we look at the Emergency Services Portal, let me explain what MaruBPM is, along with some of its benefits. MaruBPM is a web-based business process management framework that runs on .NET Framework 4.5 and uses both modern and traditional technologies such as ASP, Bootstrap, C#, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, JSON, and XML. MaruBPM also uses Microsoft SQL Server database to store all system data and places the power of development in the hands of your development team. Some of the many benefits include simplified operations, lower cost, reduced risk, improved productivity, cheaper than competition, complete transparency, fully documented, and 100% customizable. What is MaruBPM ESP? MaruBPM ESP is the emergency services portal and was built using the MaruBPM framework. ESP was designed specifically to target the emergency services market and has a number of pre-built solutions embedded. All solutions within MaruBPM come with the ability to manage notes and attachments, as well as capturing a full audit trail of who did what, when, and where. More information on MaruBPM can be found on our website at www.marubpm.co.uk. Alternatively, we can be contacted via email or telephone. Bye for now.